Alright, hey there guys, and yeah, this is my camera video, but before we end, I'm going to show you how to sign in. So first of all, click on this sign in trial button. That will take you to this page. If you don't want to put this in, click on create a new account. You have anything to sign in. You want to sign in with Apple or sign in with Google. So I will sign with Google. So you click on that. Then this question will appear. I'm going to pick train or tutorial. Once you're done picking up the answers, click submit. Then I'll say signing in. Then once it's signed in, will appear.
Welcome to Camtasia.
Signed in.
This sample project will provide a quick tour and get you started. If you're looking for more in-depth tutorials that walk you through the entire process of recording, editing, and sharing your videos, check out the video tutorials